In this video, I'm going to show you how to find breakout stocks on Finviz. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do is go to the screener up top, so the third tab, and then from here, we're going to be setting these filters over here. Now, the first one I'm going to go to is technical over here. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just trying to show you what I use to actually kind of get a brief overview, but of course, you could use whatever you want. You could add things to that. You could go ahead and change them, modify them according to your own preference. Whatever you want to do, I'm just going to show you some of the things you could maybe like look out for. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here under technical is the 52-week high/low. So we're going to go over here. If you don't know what that is, hover over it and it's going to be explained. So from any, what I like to do, I'm just going to click on here and I'm going to either put it at new high like this, or I'm going to do 0 to 10% below high, which is down here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this right now, but of course both are going to work. You could go and set some other ones as well, but that's going to be it for now. Okay, and then what I like to do is actually go to the all over here, because inside all you can see, like, of course, the broader criteria and all the other things as well. And then what you can do is go, for example, here to where it says average volume, and then you can go to click on over here, and you could do, for example, something like over 500k, so 500,000. That's usually what I do. You could also go for 750 if you wanna. I'm gonna go for 500 right now. There we go. And you could also go and set something like a relative volume over here to, for example, like over 1.5 over here, or you could do something even like over 2, maybe like even over 3 if you wanna. So I'm gonna do over 2 right now, and these are kind of the basics I go for. Okay, so of course you could go and do much more things with different indicators. You could go and add on different filters, etc., but that's essentially kind of the basics of what I usually do. Again, this is just like I went to show you something you could do here. This is not financial advice. I'm just trying to show you how to use the platform over here. Okay, and of course then it's going to show you the different tickers and companies it's going to find with your specific criteria down here at the bottom. So that's how to do this. That's one way to find them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.